This training school aimed to introduce to the participants the most commonly used geophysical and soil analysis methods for archaeological investigations. It was held in the Spanish town of Purguete in Navarra. The nearby Roman site of Zaldúa was used for the practical sessions of the training school. Its subsurface structures have been extensively characterized by previous geophysical surveys. Also, the site is currently under excavation. These two aspects made Zaldúa an ideal test site for training purposes. Between the introductory lectures, the participants presented their own research during poster sessions. At the site, the participants were taught on the use of different geophysical survey techniques. These techniques can reveal hidden archaeological remains by measuring and mapping spatial variations of a range of geophysical properties that can be representative of the subsurface archaeology. Since the identification of archaeological assets is done remotely from the ground surface or from the air, geophysical techniques are considered non-destructive. If these techniques are selected and used correctly, they can provide a very detailed view of subsurface features, sites, or entire archaeological landscapes. From a cultural heritage management perspective, this information can help to guide archaeologists to open their excavation trenches at the very best locations. After learning about fully non-destructive survey methods, the trainees were also introduced to other more invasive prospection techniques, like coring or topsoil magnetic susceptibility mapping. These techniques are used in archaeological prospection to identify and establish the extent of settlements. Core drilling is also used to obtain and disturb vertical soil samples for detailed physico-chemical characterization.
Fjöld veit hún freyða og framsjörg lengra. Ragnar og grönn síg tívar, ser hún upp koma öðru sín í. Jörð og rægið grönna.
Finally, the participants were moved inside the excavation trench. There, they learned about other sampling techniques and soil measurements to, for example, understand site formation processes, obtain archaeomagnetic dating, or to to identify archaeological deposits that might be difficult to distinguish by bare visual observation or texture. These soil measurements can also help to identify activity areas within a structure or a site, or, if we are looking at a larger area, to characterize the ancient land use.